Alright, so you've probably heard about Cordyceps, the freaky fungus that hijacks ants and turns them into real-life zombies. But did you know that Cordyceps can also infect moths and butterflies? The twist is, it doesn't actually control their minds like it does with ants. So how does it pull off this invasion? Let's break it down. First, it all starts with those tiny, almost invisible spores. When a moth lands on a leaf or tree that's loaded with Cordyceps spores, the fungus sees its chance. The spores stick to the insect's body, usually finding their way into tiny cracks or joints. Think of it like slipping through the back door. Once inside, the spores germinate and start growing thread-like filaments called mycelium. These filaments spread through the insect's body, feeding on its insides, but here's the catch: they don't mess with the insect's brain. Unlike ants, moths don't get their behavior rewired. Butterflies don't get their behavior rewired. They just keep living their normal, fluttery lives, totally unaware of what's happening inside. Eventually, the fungus gets hungry for more. It uses up the insect's resources until, sadly, the moth or butterfly dies, usually somewhere hidden or tucked away. Then the Cordyceps bursts out of the body, sending out a fresh shower of spores, ready to start the whole process over again. So, while Cordyceps is famous for its mind control, it's just as deadly to moths and butterflies. Only this time, it's a silent invasion. Nature is wild, isn't it?